When are you gonna use the butcher?
Oh, I can smell it.
Oh.
Oh, I can smell that.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's like Limburger cheese right there. That's funky.
Burns the nostrils.
Open that. Oh wait, no. You know what what we're smelling?
Oh, it's the fish sauce boiling.
It's a fish sauce boiling.
Oh no, it's smelling bad.
God, thank
Oh
God.
God,
No.
it smells like fish.
Yeah,
What the hell?
That was nasty. But yeah, it's the fish sauce.
That was kind of funny because if it smelled that bad, it's like fish sauce.
Oh yeah.
I just like to know how thick or how deep the rind. Oh, there we go. How deep the rind is.
It's gonna smell worse than the fish. So we're gonna be like, oh my God, bring the fish sauce over here so it doesn't smell so bad.
Yes.
You probably stick it straight down and wiggle it back and forth,
Oh yeah, here we go, like this.
and just chop it.
Oh, now I can smell it. Oh, it smells like ass. Smell it down there. Just smell it. Oh, smell it. It smells like ass.
It smells like gas.
Ass.
Ass.
Get better. Oh.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm getting a mix from the fish and the...
I smell something.
It's probably the fish sauce boiling. Get it?
I'm recording. Get out of the way.
I can see it in there. Yeah.
Ben wants to see. You could butt it up against the wall right there to give you some support from it sliding backwards.
Oh, that is.
I think if you go straight in.
I'm trying to go easy first.
Yeah, I think your fish sauce is like more than a lot.
Yeah. I think I'll pull it up now.
Jeez.
Yeah.
What's that for? Oh, it's coming apart, right?
Yeah.
I just wish I didn't have the background of the fish sauce, so I could actually, you know, isolate that smell.
I don't know.
Dang, what the heck? You getting it?
Slowly.
You need like a bandsaw.
It said it was already starting to split open. Oh yeah, it's right there. I'll try this one also.
So there's like 4 individual fruits inside there? Is that what the creases are for?
No, she said it was.
Yeah, when you peel it open, there's sections, and it's kind of like grapefruit, and you just pull out a big
Chunk.
hunk of white.
Rotten onion.
Yeah.
Just chew. Who thought it would be a good idea to eat these?
It's called the king of fruit. That's what they call it over there, but it's banned, and like you're not allowed to take it outside of certain, like they'll have pictures of the durian fruit like an X, like you're not allowed to take it in
Because it's an invasive,
on
like
the bus. No, because it fucking stinks.
Yeah. No, you don't know where that.
What the? Oh. Wait.
It doesn't smell that bad.
No.
It's just frozen is the problem.
Smell it?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It was a fish. God, it was a fish sauce. And I was gonna say if it was gonna smell like that the whole time. No, it doesn't smell bad at all.
And she says you scoop it out.
Well, you need to let it sit now. Microwave
Oh, here it is. Here, get a spoon.
You okay there? So that's what it's like.
It's like custard.
Right there. Get a little taste.
What the?
It's the soft stuff.
I know. Pull it away from me.
Are you tasting it? We
Yeah.
gotta get pictures. Wait. What do you think? How is the durian fruit? Is it delicious?
I don't know what it.
Somebody put a piece in my mouth.
It's frozen. It's like soggy green melon.
That's delicious.
It's good.
No, what are people talking about?
Yeah. I don't smell anything.
I think it's because it's frozen.
Oh, it thaws out.
I think it thaws out. We're gonna have the worst breath.
No, I can smell.
I don't want to lick it off your finger.
It's like ice cream
Hmm?
right now.
It's like custard.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes really good. That's delicious.
Yeah.
That's delicious. Now I know why.
It's a secret. They're trying to keep you away from it.
Yeah, they are. It doesn't stink. It tastes really good. Seriously, come and have a piece. No, I'm not even kidding. The smell that you're smelling is my fish sauce cooking.
Get a little plate. Where's those paper plates?
I keep putting them away because I thought we were done.
Well, let's get a paper plate and I'll put one little piece for Amy and a piece for